day guys, probinsyanong trader na naman, another video tutorial na naman guys about sa ating online side hustle. Ito yung trending ngayon na top to earn game sa Telegram, so no other than Hamster Combat. So ito yun guys, ito yung bagong updates ng Hamster Combat. So bagong achievements nila guys ay ito yung 50 million members dito sa Telegram. So around 50.4 million. Okay, so i-congratulate naman natin guys yung Hamster Combat. Grabe, in just a short period of time na hit nila yung 50 million followers on Telegram. Can you imagine how huge this number is? It's just incredible. So ito yung message nila. It's just incredible that you and I together have been able to grow from a small community that celebrated 1 million members not so long ago to the largest Telegram channel ever. It's all thanks to you, thanks to your participation and support. Thank you so much. Alright guys, so ito yung kagandahan sa Hamster Combat kasi sobrang lakas siya sa top to earn game guys. Grabe, yung gap ng mga social media followers nila sa YouTube, sa Telegram, sa Twitter, sobrang daming naka-follow talaga guys. Siguro nagustuhan nila yung game at nagustuhan nila yung of course the name itself, Hamster Combat. So hopefully guys, pray lang tayo guys na papaldo tayo. Okay, so wag lang nating i-expect 100%, pero okay naman kasi wala tayong ilalabas na capital. So ito yung kagandahan kasi free lang yung ating paglalaro dito. Okay, at syempre of course at meron silang airdrop reward. So the moment qualified tayo sa kanilang task or sa mga requirements nila to earn free airdrop token. Okay, so ayun guys, hopefully mag-grind pa tayo sa Hamster Combat. Kung meron tayong free time, tap lang, at syempre palakihin natin yung PPH kasi magbe-base dun yung airdrop pre-rewards nila during launching ng kanilang Hamster token. So ayun guys, thank you for watching. So kung gusto niyo palang ma-update, okay, so follow their Telegram channel guys. Ito yung members nila, dapat 50.4 million subscriber or higher kasi everyday tumataas yung followers nila dito sa Telegram. So dito kayo palaging mag-base ng mga updates nila about sa launching of course or sa mga new updates ng Hamster Combat or sa Twitter official account nila guys. So thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if nakakatulong ito sa inyo. So God bless. Alright.